Earlier in December, the kids were watching a Christmas episode to one of their shows. It was the tale of two sisters who wanted the whole village to come to their castle to celebrate Christmas with them. But after asking around, no one wanted to come to the castle because they had Christmas traditions to partake in. One villager told the two sisters they should spend time doing their own Christmas traditions instead, but they didn't know what theirs were. They didn't really have any, and so they didn't know how to go about the rest of their day. I don't know how the story ends, as I wasn't actually watching the show with the kids, I was just listening to it in the background, but that little segment alone made me think of the importance of family and traditions. The villagers would much rather spend their time with family in their own humble homes rather than spending it in a castle with royalty. No matter how big or small, traditions connect generations, create memories, enhance belonging, fosters unity and strengthens the family bond, and they give us something to look forward to.
Christmas Eve tradition that you can pick one present to open.
One present. No matter what it tells you.
Once me and Rudy became a couple, we merged some of our childhood traditions into our own family, but my favorite Christmas tradition is one that we created together. Every year on the first or second week of December, we go on a trip. This year marks our 7th annual Christmas trip, and after so many changes and plans for this one, ranging all the way from Japan to a Polynesian cruise, we actually wound up staying local, having a little weekend camping trip on the east side of Maui. Even though we live here on the island, it was nice to explore areas we have never been to before, and I really do wish we could have stayed more than 2 nights. It was so beautiful and there was so much we wanted to do but didn't have time for, but I guess that's all the more reason to make a point to go back.
campsite and we need to put up our tent. It's raining, so it might be a little bit of a challenge, but we're gonna get that set up in a second. We have a tarp laid out right now. Yeah. We got here yesterday. We stopped in Hana along the way and we got to see a lot of cool stuff over there. We made it here around 3 p.m. and we basically went straight to setting the tent up. I'm really glad because it was supposed to be raining this entire trip and it's hardly rained. So I'm really thankful for that. It was raining a little bit when we were setting up the tent, but not too bad. I don't know what we're gonna do today. But yeah.
So Daddy's got an idea what this is all about. Look at that big present.
This is called a white elephant gift exchange.
Really?
The rules are a little bit different. Usually each person involved gets a present to bring, but this time I got them all. So we got numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 for each of us. Right now we're gonna draw numbers. So Daddy has number 1. Daddy gets to pick whichever present he wants. And then who's number 2? Lucius, you're number 2. So after Daddy's turn, you get to pick a new present, or if you like what Daddy has, you can take Daddy's.
Daddy's got, this is light. This one's really light but really big. This is kind of heavy. Daddy wants the blue one.
Oh, dun, 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 dun. What's Daddy got?
I get to see what it is, and then oh my god! Oh wow, there's lots of stuff in here. Vegan Rob's Cheddar Puffs. Yay! Fruit tape. Fruity tape. And is that a
vegan chocolate cookie?
Is it gluten free too?
Coming with it, I can take it.
Look at this guy.
Look at that smile.
Dun, 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 dun.
What is? Ooh.
We have vegan Rice Krispie. Salted macadamia crisp. Rice Krispie.
Oh, turkey!
Turkey jerky. Maple bacon jerky. Okay. A bag of popcorn.
Okay. Which one?
It's Amelia's turn. You can take one of theirs, or you can choose a new one.
This one! Sorry! We like turkey!
We got jalapeno chips.
Yummy!
Mommy has habanero lime chips. Mommy has hippo gummies. And chocolate caramel squares.
Oh.
Everyone has their own little camping snack box.
Yeah!
You got giggles, check them out.
Dad, hi!
So we're grilling right now. We're doing grilled tofu, grilled plums, vegan hot dogs, and then I have potato salad pre-made, so we're also gonna eat some of that. And then we're gonna do s'mores afterwards. We have vegan and gluten-free graham crackers, we have carob chocolate and regular vegan chocolate, and vegan marshmallows. We leave tomorrow. I wish we could stay longer, but yeah, we're leaving tomorrow.
Drinking all the pickle juice.
See? All done.
It's all done. They're so fat I can't like get them on properly.
I can get it.
I used to be spread out.
Oh, thank you. And then the,
Oh dang it.
I want one, Mommy.
Oh, I got it.
Not really, that can happen. It's melting! Get all ready. Now down here for a minute. Oh no!
Are you one of those people that likes to catch their marshmallows on fire and then eat them cold burnt?
No, do you see how I'm roasting them? I'm taking my time.
Because I've always seen people just like, when they're roasting marshmallows, they just like shove them in the fire. It's like, you're not roasting them, you're
Burning.
sending them to hell.
I know. I mean, it's like the center never gets cooked when you do that.
I'm ready now. On the board. You're what these say. Thank you.
Shout out to the weather though, by the way. The forecast said it was supposed to be raining the entire time, and it's only rained pretty much at night while we're sleeping. During the day while we're trying to do stuff, it's been perfectly bright and sunny. This is our last day here. We're about to start packing up.